The season is the black pepper, lemon black pepper, sugar. Has some basil in there too. Some people like to put egg in it. I don't. I don't advise putting no eggs with this chicken because it makes it go bad. You want it to turn around and have it so it won't go bad on you. So it can last. You can enjoy it. That's what you want to do. A little messy, I tell you. Forgive me. I'm trying to do it without making a mess. Without you noticing not making a mess. Put that over there on my other side of my table there. I think I'm going to add a little bit of more mayonnaise in it. This spoon. Give it a little bit more mayonnaise. Yummy, I love that mayonnaise. Tastes pretty good. They're getting better and better when it comes down to the Kraft mayonnaise. It tastes, nobody wanted to eat it. One time, it had to be Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip is a salad spread, so I want you guys to know that. Although we call it mayo, but it's a salad spread. And let me stand up and try to stir this up. If I can see what I'm doing. For you guys to see what I'm doing. Now I have some pickle juice inside the refrigerator. Let me get it. I put cucumbers in it. It's my pickle, my cucumbers. I made myself. Okay, let's see here. Put a little bit of that juice in there.